Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Hummer, please help me subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2004 Hummer H2 60 liter. So right now it has 3 codes, but the customer only wants me to fix the O2 codes only. So bank 1 sensor 1, that's a upstream. Sensor 1, sensor 2 would be downstream. That's after the cat. Before cat is sensor 1, after cat is sensor 2. Now the firing order for the Hummer is 1357. That's bank 1. Bank 2 is on the passenger side, 2468. Right now I'm under the car. I'm on the driver's side, so this is the cat right here. This is after cat. This is sensor 2. Sensor 1 is right there. That's upstream before cat. And then same thing on that side. That's the cat. Sensor 2 is back. Sensor 1 is in the front. The sensor 1 connector, you're gonna follow it. It's gonna be right there, right next to the transmission. Let me zoom in. I don't know if you can see this. The sensor, there you go. Show you from this angle, it's kind of hard. For this lock right here, it sits on the connector. You're gonna pull it straight down, and then for the connector, it's kind of hard. There you go. I took it out already. So for the connector, the lock, it goes across and locking the connector. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull that blue lock down, and then pull this tab up and pull the connector out. The O2, if it's too tight, spray a little bit of WD-40, so let it soak. And I'm gonna break it loose now. There you go, broke it loose. I'm laying on the floor, so it's kind of hard. Here's my new O2 sensor. This is original Denso. That's the part number right there. This is the original one too also. You can see it says Denso on here. This one's a Denso, same thing. You can see it on the O2 right there. Everything is exactly the same. The connector is the same thing too. So there you go. And then before you put in the new O2 sensor, make sure you put a little bit of anti-seize on the thread right here, so when you want to remove it back out, it won't be stuck. Now I'm putting in my new O2 sensor. And then now I'm gonna tighten down my O2. Not too crazy. That's good. Reconnect my connector. Well, since you're here, make sure you guys check the wires on the connector here. Make sure it's not broken or damaged. Make sure the pin inside here is not broken, damaged, or like corroded. If it's good, go ahead and reconnect the sensor. I already got my connector in. That's exactly how the lock sits. Now I'm gonna key on, and then I'm gonna show you the code one more time. So again, guys, bank 1 is on the driver's side. Firing order is 1357. Bank 1, sensor 1 is before cat, sensor 2 is after the cat. Bank 2 is on the right side, 2468. Sensor 1's before cat, sensor 2 is after cat. So show you the code. There you go. This is the only code that I'm fixing because the customer don't want to fix the other two, so just wants to fix the O2. So now I'm gonna clear it. That's it. Turn off the key, turn it back on. So that is it for this video, guys. Just a O2 sensor replaced. Pretty simple fix. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.